all passengers on board train service for terminal at Joo Koon. Train service for terminal at Joo Koon. All passengers please alight. For passengers heading towards Tuas Link, please alight and wait for the next incoming train. All passengers please alight. Please do not board train. Thank you. Train will be routed back to Pasir Ris. Thank you. Passengers, this train will terminate at Joo Koon and routed back to Pasir Ris. If you wish to travel to the city and Pasir Ris, please board the train. Thank you.
Joo Koon. This train service ends here. If you are traveling towards Tuas Link, please board the next train. This train service ends here. All passengers, please alight. Thank you for traveling with SMRT.